September 7th is the date set for the launch of the iPhone 14. An October or November launch date is predicted for the first batch of Indian-made iPhone 14 models according to a Bloomberg report. It is expected that Apple will launch both the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Pro, as well as new Apple Watches. Design. The iPhone 14 non-Pro model is likely to be the same as the iPhone 13, but the top two models are going to have a punch-hole camera instead of a notch. Display. The iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Pro are set for 6.1 inches 1170 x 2532 OLED screen, while the iPhone 14 Max and iPhone 14 Pro Max will have 6.7 inches 1284 x 2778 OLED screen. 120 Hz refresh rates will be available on the Pro models. Camera. iPhone 14 Pro is rumored to come with a 48MP main camera that will allow people to take 8 Kelvin videos. Otherwise, camera specs are relatively unchanged from the current models, but smartphone users may get benefited with triple lens snappers in most of the new devices. Color. One confirmed color option is the midnight blue. There will be a new purple and sky blue color option as well, with the current blue being swapped out for lighter blue. When the iPhone 14 arrives, it might come in a few new colors. The iPhone 14 Pro will only be available in purple though. A few other popular colors for both models are green, white, and graphite. Specifications. The iPhone 14 is again expected to use an A15 chipset, the name of which might be changed from A15 to A16 in a very mild update. All phones will have 6 GB of RAM according to rumors, but the Pro range will have faster and more advanced memory. Battery. iPhone's battery life will increase, which would likely make the devices thicker to contain their new batteries. A leak from one specific source has detailed possible specific capacities for each device, and all of them except for the iPhone 14 Pro Max have increased. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe for more information.